Chieftaincy is an institution, and they have established it. We have to go and learn from them. And when we come down, we repackage and bring ours and to be greater than theirs. Any choices about government, Sir, I my prepare.
Yo, Obusia. Nsembi ikoso na na mepe obi a sabi o ka no kre. Na nya no kre no nko apese no osan so gitum se nipa we de o sene me. Nti wo se yesua bibi fi no. Yes, Aflao hene e de nsembi atoga o se de yewura akeka asante abom di nkabom ayade amana efe no. E wo se wo ko ho na okosua. Nti wo hye ahemfo se omuso nyina emomodin se omuso be ko no akwa bibi afiri mu. Abusua eba sansem so na before that no guy bi akasa na o se eya ne kasa Asantes afago na eya na ontiase so afei na wati ase on say Asantes afago nti wo se obi akosua bibi ede efiri ho before eba Aflao hene de ne so no yenko TV mra
say argument bi course online na amanfo repeatedly ekasa Asantes afago na mentiase Ashantis are far gone. That word the name here. But Magia to this moment say yaka Asantea. Asantes are far gone. And this time at a now that tribes are doing crime so say I was so much chichiro my bino. Now Santa Fortichiro my. And they did something recently. A month for a drunk or so. Afraid amount for do but they are far gone, and that is after Britain for a defeated woman. The Ashantis still held on their pride, and making sure say, "Adia a friend omoka sade, omuma emrofuni jim from unsemuda." And in a typical Asante home, one share overcast will be in who in Brofuka. It just said, "Do baby only a conquer bro." For as long as hey, say any people winning brofoka. Chia a chi and your detective woman. Because I met now realize they say, Omun who say, the more na will lose you casa. Then you are giving off your power to always be reminded, say, Obi etu wusosa edi wusum kunim. So Ashantis never lost their language. And time as and the 4 years now other tribes who the bigger picture. They were not seeing the bigger picture. And say see now omohuno. Are too late. And with water, ye ever friend say Ashanti resistance and now Asante four stop wonders, Universities are say see a America. Universities are say UK, some in Europe, met me at least 10 universities are because Asante four door moka so much me push all these universities are offering Asante P in their as courses in that university. Share number 1. And only have common will be any University of Ohio. University of Ohio or USA. I'm running 3 language from undergraduate to master's level at University of Ohio, US. After US, your university be a friend University of Indiana. University of Indiana. Amongst your university, amongst HHE from first year to 3rd year in the university. University of Pennsylvania. US again. When's your university or Cherokee? The 4th university, University of Bosnia. University of Bosnia. And also a US share the almighty Harvard University. Hey, Asante for you great. The foresight of Ashanti leaders speaks a lot and talks well and makes you understand say Asante your maya yede ahemfumo ja na chechire because I share Asante history na before the fight of Dentra, Omukoku and Tim Jacarino, Mampong, Edreso, and Kumawu, and Ahimfakasebu, how they died to make Ashanti who they are. And so we had a foresight as on the 4 war. That makes you know, say, Ampa. Yet the Asante man, yet the Ahimfumoja na Checha Asante man. To be able to push your language for the whole University of Harvard. Oh, number 6, Stanford University, and also USA. So on say gradually, my best 6 universities in the United States are of Ashanti. Then university number 7, Cambridge University, UK, and the Rivalry University, Harvard. I will be a person. You can't take out Cambridge University. The significance and the importance of this university in the UK. Then, in the UK, they have an independent language center, which also teaches Asante. US, yes, our university be I have a friend, Rutgers University. I don't know, so my name new writer. This Rutgers University is also a different university that is offering Asante P. And Oko Germany. Germany in Leipzig, they also have a university that also teaches Asante P. Germany, which is University of Leipzig. Share the Americans is when they say areas young. Yes, say Sabo be pair the Kokwaya no din hutwitwi sie. The rivalry amount for person almost setting between Omone Asante form because of the foresight of Omona Nano and the foresight of Asante Manti. Asante Chi Eko. It is now say you all together you be teaming up with Asante for then you stand on the shoulders of Asante to also sell our language, our culture to the outside world. But say what you say, you go into rivalry with these Asante people, then I think you have a long way to go. Mako.
Yes, and I could see, you know, into which I said your can in the agony. It's say universities never be on much Ohio no. And the cacao. It's a bit of me say, the Orcano, you're right. It was not to feel free natural arguing or conversation. So Asante's are far gone on any agony. Ye called that. Now, me 2 and 7 swa. Aflao hene adding Sembia Betuga. Or so a shassa de Asante, CS, Namana fa. Just a who be that. And they said you sitting Kaboma share, I'm a BI commander. Who be that? No, so who be that? Way, and I say, wait, Asante. Said the Asante Bobre, it's Yakudru. Inti, I'll say, any class will be a ferry so about Asante Mako Sunya Bibi. Yensi and Namra.
Chieftaincy is an institution, and they have established it. We have to go and learn from them. And when we come down, we repackage and bring ours and to be greater than theirs. Many choices about government Utumbo Bowley. Sir, I my prepare. I will go invite the predecessor 54 for the put up a name. Hey, you go one, who are the government who invite me. Ose tutu ina na sisi flat. Anu ai kede ku mo da ogua. I invite me. Like I said, but we put up them ga Asante o. That manya open car dressing. E manya le ma kwa bitu. Yeah. you have a repackage in them, go to the people and learn from them. You can't sit down and defeat the people. Go to them. Because I condemn mama, I destroy. How can we develop his solution like that? And the media will sit down, the media will not attack such people and correct that situation. The media will sit down and let those things to escalate. I mean, what about the more people, if you don't be whether one out of your Kuburi, talk Mobile of your car, Mobile Kumado, outside Kumado, Mola, Mobile Miado. Will you know about this kingdom is not down like that. We will not continue like that. We will evolve. We will go up. We will follow what is good. Yeah. Jordan said, when you do, don't get to do Bonka, I'm the Chicago Crusado, that got to your side. Yet you come in a national back. Let me mind out the Comua. You are no, look, you are going to do Shia, don't blow, a door in Chicago. Many British go up the net of gold, the British mouth, what the Chicago move, you call Chicago Owenka, look at your name. No, that chariot. The British will call Chicago chariot. Come with Yarama, come here with diamond, bless Chicago of Yakukwe, and you do a year as Chicago Badia. Macon Casareta, when you well. What is the difference? Jomian double court dominary, Jonga on land and the Gayaman. No! I feel that the moment I go down and touch it in your mouth. Don't want to have it. Don't have it. Telling you, I'll try to Jabba. Maybe better than the Jabba. And you know, you know, Mamma. Arumia Funga, a tomb more actually, a tomb more away. If you can't talk, going in Aflao are very proud. You know, go to the people and go and learn their history. When you go there, you learn, you know what is the fact, and you come and what? Restructure yours. Nagina Benjari, Fatali, but the medical can say to Tumfordona, you can't ever do what signally. A Fatali, but that Bofiaga, you will call now. Who boldly, but particularly case here that Bofiaga, you will call now, you will fear the great Inca will set it to the first. And we all want to come out now to Mwa, Fatty Liba, that Bonto boy was ready. Tabuga Yanyupona. Now, coffee and a hamaka opunaria. Tabuga Malay Shilabagama, we will go to TTT, high TTT. Never let the Shua, never play, but I condemn dog with you. When you imagine it, of Gau Komipuna, I think we are around by that. We give you another week. makamani obuka bugolo ni agbajo alatriki agbata buka panga lórí we dia ọmọ foma lórí we dia enya bibo ina ma lo oṣù dada la sinya de bada bia mo tabi hayi mi ọmọ buku to ke bando don uchi chero bo uchi ali ni ne chero kwale mi be kuma nkawo wana la firma obukawo kuna ngaye olongodo global. They should go to court. They should go to regional house of chiefs. They should go to national house of chiefs. I contest the birth. They should go to Supreme Court. They should not hide on what TikTok and be talking. No, but on the TikTok and the hammer on there. I'm going to have another over the old one. The TikTok redefine the position of Aflao. Since the 18th century, because colonial masters will regard this dynasty as a monarchy. It's 18th century. You can regard the 15th dynasty as a monarchy of Aflao state. History lanchi. Aflao mani no kojo kole tomu. History lanchi. This current amalgamation of the traditional areas of Wena and Wamila. We are talking of history. I don't know what government are doing. I don't believe in publication of what. Let me have more. Urban TV has sama. But what history that the way they are quoting at the camera.
Abusuya media me pe obi o kanokre, especially when it comes to someone who is ahead of them. Me pe obi a say nipa na sempa wagya tum say yewura is far ahead, so ohia say wo so yede ukosua bibi free no we ni ade ahemfo ni bi esuro so omo beye we ni ade omusuro so mbeye, and I'm happy say nananom bi eyi o manim e kanokre say a kire wo sabepepe enetie na me to ansem ne so a abrantie bi nsem bi atodwa na ne nsem na odi tudwa no me dey me won say like he is trying to make sense, but I said those starting to one here who the upper actually I say Asante, and I say ASANTEHENE is a threat to Ghana politicians, and that's why and that's why a threat more munti no makwa question kofu bi achi say yen kasa enti and sense mo say yewura anamonto ni ade bia otu no ahwe ka okeka ahemfoni amahene ni nyina boma ahwe Ghana will go back to monarchy abeko akosha ahemfon sabiam to say the mribinet no nti omusuru nti ene sa ade omonko hyehye nkofu bi achi na omunye wom yenti ma
motive munim say asante man eni otumfo threat map politician munim say asante man eni otumfo threat more politicians de ekoso nyina mo nhye dani moyo munim de nti a sesei tribes ni bebre asole wa asante so no munim so otumfo hya ase se okeka ahemfo na bomu no politicians ni hu se threat ema omo ena omo akoyehye omo achie omo aboyehye mu ankase mu achie mu yedi achie ena mo sa soliti a montiti de ebema mo yeye no soliti a munim so otumfo nya boni bia boni a waye ne se opese okeka tribes ni bom ni yenye hu said the politicians ni die munim sa me sisa hasa mama kan meto aso da bi na mo na nwere ho ketua bi na meka kire mo otumfo ye threat ma politicians no every time o sha say so wokeka ahemfo na bomu no na enam say other tribes no enni anisuade hu kwa akire ti no omunhu na otu politicians na koyehye tribes na akire na ekọ so ayi ti wo de opega na ye di a twa saa temdidi no so na otumfo nye Ghana boni bia mote sika na ye tua ma politicians no mpese o mu continue di no o mu hu se otumfo kikabo mo no threat o mu nya sika ni ni emu ye kwase ebiem enti na saa de yiko so enti mu mienya atemdidie no mu mienya atemdidie na ehu hia no mesrɛ mo na otumfo o pese wo magana so eduru ba bi wo se nyame aye ne kese dadada enye ohia obi no nipa kora ba ye ne kese na emom Ghana yie die ntia mote saa asam no kan no medam ase.
Yes, abusia we na make no we this is what I am saying we ni ade bia na ye kan I will say etie say especially the politicians no e yo madwen say o yen su Asante as a point na say yemfa say de be bro ma sinti yen hyen kofo bi no mu ni o matem no mu attack o. This is what I'm talking about and this is what I mean. Say no kre say was saying ka yen nyina ye kabom na nka yewura anas edi anim na bibia ne yetimi agina brane but ade so ye ya na bi mu so soritia yewura kabom na bi mu so soritia and this is a movement that we need to work on and I'm happy people have started seeing them. I will say yeah they all can no kre and ebusu also feel free na chira wadwen our comment section and then they can message us subscribe and share say that we have drop video bia on sabetimi akemi me da so hwe me makraw